All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Rob here as usual. Today we got another product review for you guys. If you've seen our video way back in the past, Haloview did partner with us in the past on our fifth wheel and provided a backup camera, and they've done so again just to show you guys the product. We're going to install it on our utility trailer and see if it's a good fit for your utility trailer or whatever you're towing. This is the Haloview Byte Tango system BT7 solar. A couple cool features because it does come with its own solar panel, so you don't have to tie into the power on the trailer itself. It's actually going to power itself. So let's unbox this and see what it looks like. Let's see what we have in the box here. You have your instructions, you have some stickers and some lens wipes. We have our plates here for the camera and for the solar. We got 3 antennas. We got our mounting stand here. Looks like we got 2 different options. And our screen. And the solar panel and the camera. Alright, so this is everything you get in the box. So they give you pretty much everything for your install here, and it looks like really nice hardware. Let's get it put together. Alright, just sitting here putting all the antennas on before we get up on the ladder. There's that. It's a really nice screen. Much better than the last one we had. This looks like it's a 7-inch screen. So all the mounting plates have this 3M VHB tape on it, and they're magnetic. So your camera itself is actually just going to stick to the back of your trailer, which is nice. You don't have to put any holes in the trailer, any potential leaks, and that's a really strong magnet. So you can either mount it like this on the flat, or mount it like this on the back. So however your configuration is on your trailer, and then it looks like this camera will pivot as well. So you have some lot of flexibility here. And then here's your magnet for the solar panel, again VHB tape, so you don't have to put any holes in your roof, but it does have screw holes if you actually wanted to secure it down. And then the same thing back of the solar panel, solid magnet there, so that should hold in place no problem. And it's got a nice little tilt to the solar panel so that you can get the pitch of the sun. And then it looks like here they gave you 2 options for a dash mount for your screen. You can either VHB tape it to something permanently, or you have the suction cup for your windshield or something flat. And both of these are going to be very adjustable so that you can mount the screen in the front of the truck without any problems. So and this is all very solid. This is metal. This is metal. Very solid feeling hardware here. This is very tight, so it's not going to shake around on you. So far very impressed with all the hardware here. You got your cigarette lighter power plug, got all your solar panel hardware here. So if you end up wanting to use this as a security system as well, you can have the camera outside, bring the screen into your RV with you, plug it in. They give you some C power port here, and that'll plug right here on the side. So you can power it up and keep that screen with you for security purposes. And it also looks like it has an SD card slot in here too, so very cool. I mean, this is a really nice looking screen, way better than what they had before. So let's get this hooked up and I'll show you guys the quality of the screen. Okay, so this is a super easy install here. All I got to do is tape down the wire, the power wire from the solar panel. Again, they give you plenty of slack so you can put it wherever you want, but the solar panel just sticks to the roof, and it's got the magnetic mount. Again, you could screw it in if you wanted to. I'm going to try it and see if it works. If I see any movement in it, I will probably screw it down. So again, up here on the solar panel, it is just adhered to the rooftop with the VHB tape, and the magnet holds the solar panel in place. So super easy there. I'm going to tape this down with some Eternabond tape to keep the wires in place, and then I opted to mount the camera right here on the back of the trailer. Again, just putting the pad down with the glue, magnet to that, and then you can adjust the pitch of the camera here, turn it on in the back, and it's ready to go. We got the power on, and right now we are in the carport, so we're not making solar power, but it should self-power, which is way easier than the last one we installed where I actually had to hardwire it into the running light. So the installation here is super easy. Just stick it on with the tape, plug it all in, power it up, and we are ready to go. So let's get the front hooked up and then we're going to do a driving test. We just got it set up here. We used the windshield suction cup, and wow, this is a super clear screen. This is just showing our carport. It's the back of the trailer now, but you have your parking lines, and you can do 4 channels on this, so you can have multiple screens. So if you had more cameras, you can do all 4 at once, or you just zone in on the one you're using. And come in here, you have a bunch of options. You have your volume on it, you have your pairing, so you can pair with different cameras. You can look at your pictures, you can mirror it, so you could flip the cam upside down, turn it around depending on what the orientation is. So this is ours right here. And you can record, you can play back, you can check you can set your different colors on your screen, even in this sleep mode. So all in all, I mean, it's getting great signal right now, and I am super impressed. So all in all, this is so far way better than their last one. They've come a long way with the quality of their screen, very clear. This looks like a TV, actually. It's very, I mean, I can see all the details in the back. So let's try backing up with this thing and doing a quick road test and see what it looks like when you're actually driving. Not only is this picture amazing, but you also have sound as well, so you can hear what's going on around you, or if somebody's behind you backing up, they can give you instructions. So this is super clear while you're driving. You can see what's going on behind you. Very nice. This is really good backing up. I can see exactly where the back of the trailer is, coming right into the driveway. And when I get to the concrete, perfect. Okay guys, so you saw us put it in. It took literally 10 minutes to get up on the ladder, put the magnet stickies on there, plug it into the truck, get it paired instantly. These have come a long way since our first one. The first one was pretty good at the time. We were very happy with it, but the picture just wasn't that clear. This is night and day. So if you guys are in the market for a backup camera for any trailer that you're towing, and you just want to see behind you on the road, or ease of pulling into a site, backing into a site, I do recommend you guys check out the Haloview. We're going to leave a link below for this unit. And being solar, you know, it just takes all the guesswork out of it. You just don't have to wire it up. You don't have to have a pre-wired trailer. Just slap your solar panel up there, slap the camera, plug it in, and you're ready to go. So again, thank you for joining us on this video, and hopefully you got some benefit out of it. And if you're interested, take a look at the unit.